Hi guys, bit more on this Thruxton project I'm doing. One of the main reasons that I bought this particular bike is the low kilometres on it. It's got less than 3,000 kilometres on it. It was owned by an old fella that got sick and can't ride anymore, so I picked it up. Other than the fuel issues, the things I'm going to have to spend the most time on doing are the likes of the spokes, the rear chain. It'll get some work, but it doesn't need an awful lot. These foot peg mounts on both sides are, it's got signs of surface rust. All the cases, all the aluminium needs a really good clean up. But other than that, it'll be just a basic love and care project. Get it up, get it back on the road where it deserves to be, and get on with it. So while I'm cleaning out some more of the rust out of the tank, it's spinning up in the cement mixer again. First time didn't get it all, so I've got time up my sleeve, so it's back in there. The carbies, throttle bodies, they're in pieces on the bench. I've got to get a couple of new seals for them, so while I'm waiting for that, get onto the fuel pump and fill the system in tank. So on the right here you can see fuel pump and the boot off the bottom of it, which I think is the reason that the fuel discoloured so badly, because it started to dissolve. It's just rubber and it's pretty soft and falling apart. There's the mounting plate for it all with some of the electronics still plugged in. And then over this side's the new kit. So brand new pump, filter, inline filter, and new rubber boots, hose, electric connection that I don't think I'll need because this was actually pumping in the bike still when I got it. So that's my project for the day, and can't wait to get on the throttle bodies tomorrow.